lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Old subscribers, thank you for stopping by. So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to achieve this beautiful bone straight look alike wig with just expression braiding hair. So if this video is going to be of interest to you, keep watching. Please subscribe, comment, like. God bless you all. Okay, so first thing I did was to ventilate the closure. What I did was I ventilated on one hole, I skipped a hole, then went to the other one using the horizontal method of ventilating. So I got to the front part of the wig, then I started ventilating in one strand of hair, you understand, to make the front line look very natural and all that. So we're going to be showing our way. You can see how the front part of the head look. It looks very nice and natural. So the bundles we're going to be working on, I did it on my previous video, on one of my videos. I'm going to put it here for you to see so that you learn how to do it. Then we're going to sew in the bundles right now. So first thing you have to do, you have to take your T-pins and pin in your hair to have at least, let your hair be balanced on, your bundle be balanced on the cap while you're sewing it. So first thing you have to do is you just go in with your needle and pass the needle through the thread just the way I did. You know that part that you tie, that knot that you make to secure the ends of the thread, you just open it. It's like 4 lines of thread, so you put it in between, making it 2 so you'll be able to secure the beginning of your bundle when you're sewing. So what you have to do is just sew your wig till you get to the top of the hair. Okay, so you keep sewing and you keep sewing and you keep sewing your wig. So when I get to the front part of the wig, I'm going to show you how you be able to stitch your hair bundle and your closure line together. So just keep watching. Okay, so what we're doing here is you're stitching the bundle to your closure line. You can see I'm trying to cover that lace that is there. So this is what you have to do to have a very neat work and for you not to allow the lace or the hair to show, you understand. So you know this bundle, I worked on it before but I didn't make use of it. It's like almost 3 months, so I think 2 months. so it got tangled a bit, so I'm trying to just straighten it. So you can need to straighten now. Do you understand? To straighten the hair, please low heat, let it not be hot if not to melt your wig. So you straighten your hair, everything. After straightening the hair, I just went in with my hot comb to try to style the front part of the wig to make it like all the flyaways and everything to fall in place. If you have a hair wax, just apply on it and do just what I did. You can style it to the center or side pattern any way you want. This is the final look of the wig. So I went ahead to cut the front part of the lace of the wig. This is how the wig looks on me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I love you all. Bye.